In this lesson, we are going to learn about merge queries. Typically, merge queries is used to join the tables based on a common column, which is similar to Excel lookup or SQL join. And merge queries increases width of the table. Since it is increasing the width of the table, the merging queries will also increase the data model size. Hence, don't use merge queries. Instead, use the table relationship to get the data on the fly when needed. Merge queries can be accessed from combine menu. While merging the queries, we will have to select the left query and right query, and also select the common column based on which we are going to merge these queries. In addition to that, we have to select the join kind based on which we are going to join it. Typically, we use left join, but there are many other joins that we are going to discuss little later. Let's take a scenario where we are merging sales table with region table. On the left side, we have sales table with sales information. On the right side, we have region table with region information. In the sales table, we have only the sales information, but we don't have the precise location where the transaction has happened. If you want to enrich this sales query with transaction information, then we need to merge these two queries. In this case, we can merge these two queries based on the postcode, since it's a common column between these two tables. While merging the queries, we are going to get an option to select the columns from the right table. In this case, we are going to choose state and suburb from the right table. With this context, let us get into the system and implement merge queries on these two tables. For this demo, we are going to use the sales data. We are going to take sales data as a left table and region data as a right table. So connect to Excel data source and select the file that is available in merge queries folder. From the preview, select sales and region queries and go to transform data. This is our typical sales table and everything is clean. No data transformations are needed. And in the region table, we have region information like state, suburbs, postcode. Now let us expand the sales table and enrich this table with additional information from the region table. For that, select sales table and go to merge queries. As we just discussed, while merging the queries, we will have to select the left table and also we need to select the right table. Our right table is going to be region and the common column between these two tables or two queries is postcode. For now, let's select the join kind left outer, but there are many other join kinds that we are going to explore in the next lesson. After joining sales and region tables, we are going to see additional column with regions, but for every row we are seeing a table, we have to expand this column. Here we can select the columns from the right table. In this case, we are going to select state and suburb from the right table. We are not going to select the postcode as it is already available in the left table. And either we can use the prefix. Whenever we use a prefix, we are going to see the query name as a prefix, but we don't want to use any prefix. So go back and select the required columns. With this, we were able to bring state and suburb information from the right table. That's all about merge queries. We'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.